Hello guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be showing you
our mom's on a conference call.
Yeah, our mom's on a conference call. What we're packing for our vacation.
We're going to Niagara Falls in Canada.
Yes, we are going to Niagara Falls and Toronto in Canada.
And
also, first let me show you what
Syracuse on the
wearing on the car ride there.
Me too. I'm going to show you too.
Yeah, this is me and Holly's suitcase. And there are a few things that we haven't put in yet.
I know we're on the way back.
So yeah. And we're on the way
to Niagara Falls.
I'm going to be wearing this shirt on the
6-hour drive, right?
Sorry.
It's a 6-hour drive.
And these pants. So
okay. Ready to see mine? So, here it is.
And also, I'm making a hoodie, but I don't think I
okay, guys, so this is my American flag shirt. Like, it's meant for 4th of July. It's Ash versus the flag. Yeah,
you're not showing the camera. They have no idea. The camera didn't see it. Oh. It's like a red 4th of July shirt with black shorts.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now to show you what's on the inside.
Ah!
I don't want to hit you guys. There we go. So, also, Holly will be bringing a bathing suit cover.
So this thing is for, like, if you like feeling it our way, you're not too close to fly.
And we will be bringing our Crocs and sandals, but we didn't pack those yet either.
For the pools, we go to the pool. We might go to our pool.
So first, this is my bathing. So first, I'm bringing my bathing suit cover up.
Yep. Before we're walking down to the pool and walking back to the pool.
Yeah, I like it. And then we'll go.
Mine is pink. Mine's dark pink.
We'll go through every shirt.
Mine is dark pink.
And then we have some. Should we show all the shirts now?
No. Okay, we have to kind of like do this. We don't want to mess this up.
Yeah. I'll show you some of my favorite shirts though.
Those are some of Julia's favorites, okay? But you might see them more.
And your favorites too.
Okay, I'm gonna do that for Julia's.
So some shorts that I can pack.
Or rolling them up, right, Julia? Look how much space there is, guys.
And this is one of my favorite shirts. It's like blue and glittery. I know it's upside down. And then another shirt I want to show you guys is this Minnie Mouse shirt.
It's from Disney last year,
yeah,
right?
I brought it for Disney last year, and I figured to remind me of last year's.
Me too. I brought my Minnie shirt too.
I'll bring my Minnie shirt.
Here's my Minnie Mouse shirt.
Which I think is really cute.
We go on vacation every summer. Some Memorial. We go on.
And then, oh yeah, I also have a tank top and some shorts and one pair of capris. I have one pair of capri leggings in case it's cold. And then over here,
as we go dinner at night. And my burger, French fries.
Hair stuff. So we each have our hairbrush.
This is my hairbrush. It's orange to back.
From Dollar Tree.
And this is a sticker. This is Julia's from Justice.
This is my hairbrush. It's from Justice. I have a J's backwards, but who cares? And it's a wet brush. Why are you hitting that?
Because look how flat it is.
Oh. And then we have this side. I know, don't be disgusted by the hair. There's a lot of hair in it.
Okay, why do you say that? Let's just give you name. Snacks.
And then we have some hair ties. And a hair clip.
Her hair up because it'd be very hot out, right?
And then we have pajamas.
For bedtime?
Pajamas.
We're going to be staying up very late, right, Julia?
This tenny nightgown.
We're going to be staying up very late, right?
Yes, my school variety shirt. And
right, Julia?
Yeah, I'm bringing one pair of pajama pants, which are unicorns. And one pair of pajama shorts, which are...
We're going to be up very late, right, Julia?
How old are your pajamas?
So, these are my fruity ones.
They have...
And these are, like, fruits. This is, like... blue pajamas with a bunch of designs. And I brought my t-shirts from the plane in the winter. Big Fish. We didn't film that.
Yeah, we didn't film anything about that. But Holly was in the plane in the winter, but I didn't want to do it.
Me. Oh, guys, get this like in. So we don't zip it. Here we go. Actually, this. Actually, we could get more than good. My mom wanted to leave it open because like she wanted to get like oil,
there's stuff in here.
I know, like there's so much compartments, like
socks.
Did you show bathing suits yet?
Oh yeah, at the very bottom there's bathing suits.
Yeah.
And that's it.
You want to take off?
Sorry it's a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And remember like, subscribe.
We're going to try our carry-on, too, Julia.
Yeah, that will be another video.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yep.
Tomorrow's your carry-on.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.